What's going on, guys? It's Jay. So in this video I'm going to be claiming my quest before it is over. There's currently 12 minutes and 40 seconds, so I'm gonna claim it right now. Go token. This helps a lot in the fusions for Royal Rumble 24. Claimed all these already, and the main thing, guaranteed Stone Cold Steve Austin. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna get the Pro. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Maybe in Warmania. I know Warmania is gonna be coming very soon. This week. I think today or tomorrow it comes out. So maybe I'll get it from there. It sucks that I can't claim any tickets. I have over 1,000, so that means that it's gonna go here. Alright, last but not least, I have a daily streak. Wow, that was very useless, honestly. A daily streak on my other account. Still no good. No good at all. Oh, I also have a hype train. Might as well do this too before it's over. That's perfect. Again, perfect. Definitely take that. Ooh, that's not perfect. Wow, that's not good. Wow, I was one off. Wow. Claim, let's go. And nothing good from that. Well, that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna leave my Discord link down below if you want to join the server. It's growing every day. Subscribe to my channel. I'm getting closer and closer to 800. I might do a giveaway, probably a battle pass. I believe there's like 7 days, 6 days. There's 7 days, so maybe in the next battle pass I'll give it away whenever I reach 800. And yeah, continue liking the videos. Let's try to reach 10 likes in this video. And yeah, all right. Claiming my QR code on this account. I haven't done that yet. I've done it on my main account, but not on this one. So QR scanner, yes, go.